yowe bogari bogari muri ya gahunda yacu yo kumenyekanisha intara, ariko today nahinduye move uyu munsi ntabwo ndi kumwe n'umunyarwanda bisanzwe, ahubwo ndi kumwe n'umunyamahanga from Japan. Bro, hi.
Muraho.
Muraho.
Nitwa Zima. Nitwa Zima.
Can you sing your favorite Rwandan song if you have to know with of celebrities? Like
Yeah, I know this one. I'm busy.
ntabwo nyizi. Subiramo.
You don't know?
I know.
But I don't know lyrics.
Yeah. But bro, hi.
Muraho.
Muraho.
Nitwa Zima.
Nitwa
Zima.
Zima. From where?
From Japan.
Zima. I want you to make intro in Kinyarwanda like a song. Your favorite song.
Favorite song?
Yeah.
In Kinyarwanda.
You have your favorite song in Kinyarwanda?
My favorite song is Nimero Ichinyarwanda Indirimbo.
Yeah.
Sing Indirimbo.
Yeah.
Rinwe kabiri gatatu kane gatanu gatandatu kalinge umunani chenda ichumi. Okay. Finish.
Japan? How is Japan music doing?
Yeah, in Japan, the most famous genre of music is Japanese pop.
Do you have celebrities in Japan?
Celebrity? Yeah, many celebrities, I think, yeah.
Give me like 2 celebrities in Japan. Like in Rwanda we have Bruce Melody, The Ben. And Japan, tell me the celebrities there. First one. That they related the music.
Related music?
Yeah. That they are celebrities. How many? Like tell me the names.
Yeah, I think it's many, so but the one I
Number one.
Number one. So there are many. So I can't decide number one, but I like Lad Wimps.
Who?
Lad Wimps. Rock band. Famous rock band in Japan.
They song pop. They pop.
Japanese pop. Yeah.
Do you know one song from that man that you can give me, my viewers?
Okay.
Yeah.
The most.
What is popular for that celebrator? The song is popular.
They made many movie song.
Yeah.
And one.
Song.
It's the name of the song is Sparkle. まだこの世界は僕を飼いならしてたいみたいだ望み通りだろう美しくもがくよ Like that, yeah, like that. Yeah.
Which Rwandan journalist do you like or do you know?
Bogari only.
Yeah.
Because I can't understand Kinyarwanda. They Muraho, Ndagukunda chane Murakoze.
Zima, we are going to end by sing song that make Rwandan girls happy.
Sorry, what?
You are going to to sing the song that makes Rwandan girls happy and be happy. Love.
What?
To Rwandan girls.
Like
a song to them. Rwandan beautiful ladies.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ndagukunda chane.
yowe bogari bogari muri ya gahunda yacu yo kumenyekanisha intara, ariko today nahinduye move uyu munsi ntabwo ndi kumwe n'umunyarwanda bisanzwe, ahubwo ndi kumwe n'umunyamahanga from Japan. Bro, hi. Muraho.
Nitwa Zima. Nitwa
Zima. From where?
From Japan.
Zima. I want you to make intro in Kinyarwanda like a song. Your favorite song.
Favorite song?
Yeah.
In Kinyarwanda.
You have your favorite song in Kinyarwanda?
My favorite song is Nimero Ichinyarwanda Indirimbo.
Yeah.
Sing Indirimbo.
Yeah.
Rinwe kabiri gatatu kane gatanu gatandatu kalinge umunani chenda ichumi. Okay. Finish.
Zima, where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
Japan?
Yeah.
What did you come to Rwanda to do?
Yeah, actually, I applied the volunteer job in Japan.
Yeah.
Its contract is 2 years.
Yeah.
So I came to Rwanda to do volunteer work about water and sanitation. Yeah.
When did you start the music?
When I was 19, so more than 6 years ago. Yeah.
Please, like your first song when you were in Japan, your first song you released.
Yeah,
Your first song when you was in Japan.
I uploaded my first song when I was 19, in 2018.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sing that song.
Yeah, it's Japan.
Yeah, it's Japan.
蜃気楼のようだね届かなくて後ろを向いてとても眩しくて like that, yeah.
Zima,
うん
you are going to tell us about entertainment in Japan. How is Japan music doing?
Yeah, in Japan, the most famous genre of music is Japanese pop.
Do you have celebrities in Japan?
Celebrity? Yeah, many celebrities, I think, yeah.
Give me like 2 celebrities in Japan. Like in Rwanda we have Bruce Melody, The Band. And Japan, tell me the celebrities there. First one. That they relate the music.
Related music?
Yeah. That they are celebrities. How many? Like tell me the names.
Yeah, I think it's many, so but the one I
Number 1.
number one, number one. So there are many. So I can't decide number one, but I like Loud Wimps.
Who?
Loud Wimps. Rock
Loud
band.
Wimps.
Rock band.
Rock band.
Rock band. Famous rock band in Japan.
They song pop. They pop.
Japanese pop. Yeah.
Do you know one song from that man that you can give me, my viewers?
Okay.
Yeah.
The most.
What is popular for that celebrator? The song is popular.
They made many movie song
Yeah.
and okay, one
song.
it's the name of the song is Sparkle. まだこの世界は僕を飼いならしてたいみたいだ望み通りだろう美しくもがくよ like that, yeah, like that. Yeah.
Zima.
Yeah.
We are going to continue an interview.
Yeah, okay.
Zima, after living in Africa,
うん
how did you continue your music?
Yeah, but actually, I can't earn enough money by music. Now it's like just hobby. So,
It's not work.
no, not work. Yeah.
Yeah.
My work is volunteer here. And actually, I'll go to Thailand.
Yeah.
Do you know Thailand? Southeast Asia.
I see Thailand in movies.
Yeah, I'll go to Thailand after leaving Africa and work as a Japanese teacher,
Yeah.
teaching Japanese. Yeah, and with making music. Yeah.
Zima tune. Is there any song that you liked when you were in Rwanda?
Yeah, I wrote maybe 8 or 9 songs here.
Your favorite song that you liked when in Rwanda? Your favorite song?
My favorite song.
Yeah.
The song name is Distance.
Distance.
Yeah, I wrote English lyrics.
Yeah.
Oh, can I sing?
Yes, sing like 20 seconds if possible.
Distance so long for instance if I won't move no 止まり方もわからない Alright, distance. Yeah.
Zima tune.
Yeah.
You are going to tell us about the best and worst thing you have experienced on your journey to make music in Africa.
To make music in Africa.
Yeah.
Worst and best song sing.
Best and worst. You have to start with best and end with worst.
Okay, and the best thing
Experience
so
in the journey.
yeah, at first I made my song Distance and I uploaded on my TikTok. When I was then I have 200 followers only. But when I upload my song on the TikToks, they had many views. It has many views, so I surprised so much. So it was my best experience.
Now you have 40k followers.
About 40k followers. Yeah, now.
That's the best thing you experienced in your music in Africa.
Yeah, and I met some Rwandan producers, Rwandan musicians. Yeah. So it was also best memories, I think.
Yeah. Tell us the worst one.
Worst.
In life we have best and worst, you know. Tell us that the worst you experienced in music.
And actually, making music is always hard to record my voice and mixing, mastering. I feel nervous when I make like, oh no, it's not correct like that. Yeah, so it's my worst experience.
Zima, is your music popular in Rwanda?
I don't know, maybe it's not. I think, yeah. Rwandan people like my TikTok only, so I don't think few people listen to my music, but yeah.
Zima, tell me your favorite Rwandan artist you feel like working together on music project. Rwandan artist that you can make a collabo. Your favorite artist in Rwanda here. Yeah.
Okay, man. Yeah, my favorite artist is my friend.
Who?
My friend. He lives in Kigali.
His name?
Billionaire. Billionaire.
He called billionaire.
Yeah, his name is Billionaire, and also Sky Dino. Do you know Sky Dino?
You have billionaire and Sky Dino.
Yeah, Sky Dino. Yeah. They're upcoming artist in Rwanda.
Yeah. Are you plan to collaborate with Sky Dino on the song?
No.
Why no?
But different genre. So I do J-pop. They do Rwandan pop, Rwandan Afrobeat. So
can you sing your favorite Rwandan song if you have to know with of celebrities? Like
yeah, I know this one. I'm busy.
Agonize. Subiramo.
You don't know?
I know.
But I don't know lyrics.
Yeah. But me, I want you to collaborate with Rwandan superstar because they can appreciate.
Really?
I know I'm ready.
You have a chance, yeah. I want, yeah.
Zima, in your music, has someone told you that you have no talent?
Yeah, in Japan, my father told me.
Your father told that you have no talent.
Yeah.
You have to go to be like, what? He told that you have no talent.
My father said me, you don't have talent. I ignore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zima, I have a question on you.
Yeah.
Why don't often your music in the mass media in Rwanda? Why don't you promote your music in mass media like journalism, like Irene, Lucky? Why?
Yeah,
but can be possible? Huh?
I don't know how to promote. And I'm volunteer and like as a Japanese government, so I can't do like promotion because of my job, my position. I can't make money. I can't make promotion. Yeah.
Because of your job, you can make promotion of your music.
Yes.
No problem.
Yeah.
Which Rwandan journalist do you like, or do you know?
Bogari only.
Bogari only.
Yeah. Because I can't understand Kinyarwanda. They interview. Yeah, I can't understand. Yeah. I only understand Amakuru Nimeza. Yeah.
Zima, tell us about your next music goals when you return home. Your music goals when you return home, Japan or you go Thailand.
At first I'll go to Japan and I'll go to Thailand. Yeah. Next week I'll go back to Japan.
You tell me that music is a hobby. What is the goals of your hobby? Your music goals? Cause I see your YouTube. You are a superstar. You have like there is a song you have 300k.
Yeah, I have. Yeah, but
you have to make in Rwanda those views.
No, in Japan.
Young generation cannot get those views. That's why I told you that you have to make music like a job. That's my advice from Bogart.
Thank you.
Zima, send a message to your fans in Rwanda who loves your music.
Thank you for listening to my music. Yeah. Please check Japanese music. Yeah.
Send a message in Kinyarwanda like murakoze ndabakunda.
Okay. Muraho ndagukunda cyane cyane. Murakoze.
Zima, we are going to end by sing song that make Rwandan girls happy.
Sorry, what?
You are going to to sing the song that makes Rwandan girls happy and be happy. Love.
Love. Oh, what?
To Rwandan girls,
Ah,
like a song to them. Rwandan beautiful ladies.
okay.
Yeah.
ndagukunda cyane cyane.
Zima, you are going to tell my viewers your platforms that they can find your music.
Yeah, I do YouTube and TikTok, Instagram and Spotify. I first start Zima, Zima, and my username is Zima Tune, Zimatune. So please check. Yeah.
Thanks for your time, bro.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Yeah.